Hello, today we will be going over how to brine and oven roast a chicken. For the brine, you'll be needing 1 gallon of water, 4 ounces kosher salt, 3 ounces sugar, 2 bay leaves, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, 4 whole cloves, and 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. If you would like, you can make a sachet by cutting a square piece of cheesecloth and placing the aromatics in the center, then folding in the edges and tie together using butcher's twine. Pour the water into the stock pot, then add salt and sugar, followed by the aromatics. Then cover and bring the pot to a low boil, stirring occasionally, allowing the salt and sugar to dissolve and the aromatics to release flavor into the water. As the temperature of the water rises, the sugar and salts will dissolve and the water will become clear. Also, as the aromatics release flavor into the water will start to change color. After the brine has reached a low boil, remove from heat, uncover, and allow to cool. When it has cooled, you will then refrigerate the brine until it's completely cold. When the brine is cold, you will then submerge your chicken into the brine for anywhere between 6 and 24 hours. Brining has two effects. First, the salts disrupt the structure of the muscle filaments. Second, osmosis is through osmosis. The salts interact with the protein cells, causing water absorption and retention, which will help keep the meat moist during cooking. Also, this process causes the chicken to absorb the flavor from the aromatics that were released in the brine. Remove the chicken from the brine and place onto a pan with a roasting rack. Be sure to place the chicken breast side up. If you choose, you can stuff the cavity with aromatics. Regardless of if you do, you will need to be sure to truss the legs. This will keep close the cavity and help reduce hot air from entering it and drying out your chicken while cooking. If you did not truss the wings, you can simply tuck those under the breast. Place the chicken in the center of the oven and cook at 375 degrees. Your average cook time should be 20 minutes per pound. Before removing the chicken from the oven, use a meat thermometer and check the internal temperature of the breasts to make sure they've reached 165 degrees. If it has not, allow for additional cook time and increase the temperature if it is needed. When your chicken is done, it should resemble this. Loosely cover with aluminum foil and allow it to rest for about 20 minutes and then serve. That is how you brine and oven roast a chicken. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment down below. See you next episode.